Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to pay your HDFC loan EMI online easily and securely. Whether it's a personal loan, home loan, or car loan, you can complete your payment in just a few simple steps. First, open your preferred browser and go to the official HDFC Bank website. That's hdfcbank.com. Once the homepage loads, hover over the Loan section from the top menu and select the type of loan you have, for example, home loan or personal loan. Next, look for the option that says Pay Loan EMI or Pay Online. Click on it to continue. You'll now see a few payment options. If you're an existing HDFC customer, log in to your net banking account using your customer ID and password, then choose your loan account to make the EMI payment directly. If you don't have an HDFC account, choose the Loan Payment Without Login or Pay Through Other Bank option. Enter your loan account number, mobile number, and the EMI amount. Select your preferred payment mode. It could be net banking, debit card, or UPI. After that, complete the transaction by following the on-screen steps. Once the payment is successful, you'll get an online confirmation message and a receipt. You can download or screenshot it for your records. And that's it. You've successfully paid your HDFC loan EMI online. It's fast, convenient, and works from anywhere. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.